Mobile wallet payments. Use your mobile wallet to make payments using show code, scan code and send money options. Current wallet partners, Paytm, Mobikwik. How to use WalletPipe. How to add or create mobile wallet payments with Samsung Pay Mini. Make payments by scanning QR codes securely. Mobile wallet payments with S-Pay Mini. Generate one-time codes for merchant payments. Samsung Pay Mini mobile wallet payment. Send money from wallet using mobile number.
Unified payment interface. Transfer money using UPI. No more 1 2 3 4. Transfer money using unified payment interface. Bill payments. Samsung Pay Mini makes it easy to pay your bills now. Pay your mobile, postpaid, electricity, DTH, broadband, landline, gas, water bills with UP on Samsung Pay Mini. Gift cards to Samsung Pay Mini makes it easy to purchase, use and share the gift cards. Visit the gift card store in Samsung Pay Mini from your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. You can choose from a wide variety of gift cards of your favorite brands. From birthdays and anniversaries to weddings and festive occasions, you can find a gift card that's just right for you. Enjoy Samsung Pay Mini on these Galaxy devices. Loaded Samsung Pay Mini in Samsung devices. Compatible devices: Galaxy C7 Pro, Galaxy On 7 Prime, Galaxy J7 NXT, Galaxy J7 Max, Galaxy J7 Prime, Galaxy J5 Prime, Galaxy J7 2016, Galaxy J7 2015, Galaxy On Max, Galaxy On 8, Galaxy On NXT, Galaxy On 5 2016, Galaxy S6, Galaxy S6 Edge, Galaxy C9 Pro. All other company product and service names mentioned herein are marks, trademarks, registered trademarks or service marks of the respective owners. Images are simulated and for illustration purposes only. Accept online transactions. Works with compatible point-of-sale POS terminals only where cards can be swiped or tapped.